Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oppo Reno 8T, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So firstly, open Play Store and find here third theme in my tab. This is Niagara Launcher. So find it, click Install. And click Open. Click Agree and Continue. Select your favorite tabs. Click OK, and great, as you can see, there is a very simple launcher with very simple interface. Here we have our favorite tabs. Here we can find any application via search. And here we have alphabetical line to fast search of any application. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to P later. And here you will see your Play Store. That's it. Okay, and at the second place we have Smart Launcher 6. So just find Smart Launcher 6 and click Install. Then click Open. Get started, I agree, confirm, continue, hello, confirm, cross. And great, as you can see, here we have really beautiful interface, minimalistic interface too. Here we have our main menu with a really handy apps group in future. As you can see here, I have all my contacts apps, internet, games, media, utilities and settings. And here we have our news and smart search feature. So if you want to find any application quickly, just tap on search button and tap on later you want to search. And on the first place in my tab is Lawn Chair Launcher. Find it and click Install. Click Open, always allow, create, allow. Great, as you can see here we have a really simple Android launcher, but with additional features. For example, here we have gestures, here we have themes, we can set up themes and system accent, and we can set up drawer and the search engine. And of course, why I love this launcher, so first I need to set this launcher as default. Give me a while. Apps, then default apps, find here home app, and find here launcher. Great, so now this is my home app, and find any icon pack. I love icon pack viral. This is my favorite icon pack. I love Weekend's icon pack too, but my my favorite icon pack is viral. Click Open. Hello, apply to home, and great, as you can see here we have a beautiful launcher with really beautiful icons. So this icon pack has 6,000 of icons, and you can see all of them. For example, this launcher has 3,000 icons for the apps. I think you can find any application here, any popular and not too popular application here. So I think you will have all your apps in this icon pack. So, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.